My name is Fedra Zaribaf. I joined Victrex in June 2020. I'm a senior technology at Invibio, which is a medical section of Victrex. My job involved developing trauma plate for internal fixation. After I finished my PhD in medical engineering, I was very interested to pursue my career in R&D, and I was aware that Victrex has loads of investment in R&D department, so that was the right choice for me, and I wanted to specifically work in medical implant. These two factors were very important for me, and hence I applied for this job, and I was very lucky enough to be able to work here. I really enjoy problem solving, so learning something new every day, it's what I exactly need to feel happy about my job. At Invibio, we make trauma plate out of carbon fiber PEEK, which is an alternative to metallic solution, and that means patients are able to get an alternative which potentially can give them a faster recovery and a better life quality. And this is quite exciting. It's very important. It is good to know that I'm affecting people's life in a positive way. When I first started at Victrex, I've been trusted by my colleague and my team to lead the technical side of the project, which was very important and beneficial for me because it gives me a very sharp learning curve, and I managed to both not only technically but personally develop a lot. The mentoring scheme was one of the beneficial supports that I had. Being able to talk to someone who's been through what I'm going through was very good to understand what am I doing right and I should keep doing, and which area I'm able to improve. I'm working in a very friendly, supportive, knowledgeable group of people, which is exactly what you need to feel happy about your job. I do very much enjoy working in dynamic, challenging environment, and R&D is the right department for me to always work. And hopefully soon I will be able to be involved in bigger projects and influence many lives more effectively. At the beginning of the year, I had the opportunity to sit down with my manager and develop a very thorough personal development plan and understand what actions do I need to take to achieve my personal development plan. For example, one of them, I'm very interested to become a chartered engineer, and Victrex gave me that opportunity and support my application to become a chartered engineer. I was interested to learn a new engineering drawing package, and I was able to do that through LinkedIn Learning at my own time, which is aligned with my personal development plan. It is good to know you're working in a company that they value your development. Also, one more important thing, Victrex is very adaptable with everything with coronavirus and working from home. They provided that flexible working hours, which provide me the opportunity to have a better work-life balance. Market leading, adaptable, and transformative. Don't be afraid to take a challenge is my only advice for any new joiner. It might be hard or difficult at the first, but that's exactly what you need for personal development and developing new skills.